Hey guys, welcome back. Franco with Trading Futures Live here. In this video, I will do a quick recap of my week. Let's jump right into it. This is Hwonk. Here's the landing page. I did have a program risk and reward ratio of approximately 3R. I did get 1R in average per trade. After the week, I ended up 8.55 R. Expectancy pretty good, 290. The average winning performance and average losing performance, I don't care very much about this number per se, but the ratio is around like 3 to 1 or more. The return, I don't care about this, is because of the size of the account that I had here. Then the SQN is a number that I do pay attention to. Between 1 and 2 is a pretty good system. It looks like, obviously, it's a very, very small universe. It's just 5 trades of the system is account. But nevertheless, I do like to follow these numbers. I did not take any trades on the 13th. Physically, I didn't feel very well. And I didn't have much, many setups, many opportunities. And after, and then the 14th, I did not have a good day. I had a minus 2R. And if after I digested everything that happens during the week, I realized that this is not uncommon for me. This has happened to me in the past when I'm very patient and very strict with my rules, and I happen not to take a trade any given day. The next day, I kind of come here with this type of mindset that is not very good, and is that I probably my subconscious mind can be thinking, all right, you didn't make money yesterday, and you need to make money today. And in trading, that's a wrong mindset to have, because you don't need to make money at any given day. You need to make money consistently for a long period of time, but you don't need to make money today or tomorrow. And it's when I don't take a trade. That happens to me when I don't take trades. And the logic that I've applied to it is, we are so programmed, or at least myself, and I just, when I talk in this channel, it's just my own experience, right? And is that I was raised with this hard-working mindset. And it's different when I lose, because when I lose, I did take trades. I did my best, or I spent some time, not time, I spent energy and effort trying to try to make a winning trade, right? But when I don't take trades, probably my subconscious mind is thinking, all right, you didn't work yesterday, you need to work today, right? And that you need to work today is very, very not good for the right mindset that you need to have when you trade. That's a quick reflection that I wanted to do, because I understand that psychology is probably 80 to 90% of this job. And if you go see my trades here, I did not have only 2 losers. I had 2 losers and 2 break-evens. And the sad part is that I did have this area. This is the original area, right? I did not take the trades here, right, in the proximal line, but I took the trade here because I felt FOMO. Meaning, this thing is gonna move without you. You need to jump in now. So fear of missing out here. My stop obviously incorrectly placed, because this whole area is the risk. that one needs to take, right? If you're gonna take this type of trade. I was taking a very small risk, around 200 and something dollars, and not only happened to me once but twice. And this is a day for the books, because this is the day that I need to pay attention to. What did I do? What was my mindset? How can I correct it, right? This is my first trade. My second trade, same thing. Sorry. My second trade was exactly the same thing. I was like, damn, this thing stopped me out, but it really is going to go. So again, I jump back in. You guys, if you follow me, you know that I tend not to do this thing, although I could do it at any given day. It's not good when I do it, because it's proven to me that does not give me the best results. Yes, I could have gotten lucky, and the market could have kept going down, but fortunately, and I don't say unfortunately, but fortunately, I'm able to see this trade that cost me around between $200 and $300, right? For me to realize that this is not the right way to do it. The right way to do it is patiently waiting for the area. If the area doesn't work, that's fine. There are hundreds of areas that are gonna come up later, today, tomorrow, next week, right? My system at least have 2, 3, I would say, like on the lower side, 3 opportunities every day, and I do tend to miss a lot of trades. Talking about missing trades, I did have 2, not big opportunities, but I did have. Talking about money, it was not the best week monetarily, I mean economically, because I did reduce my size, so I just made $2,600. Not bad. But for 8 hour, obviously is pretty low. Because I came from the trip, and I want to be very careful not to be risking an excess amount of money after coming of a week of not trading and eating bad, sleeping bad, and drinking alcohol, right? So I learned the hard way how to be very prudent after a trip. So Monday, I will get up to my 75% of my regular size, and if Monday I am okay psychologically, Tuesday I will go back to my regular size. And it's painful, but it's more painful just risking the same amount of money and having a bad week, and not having a bad week, but having a bad attitude trading, and doing things the wrong way, and then ended up costing you more than it can cost you when you have your mindset good to trade, right? Just very few weeks, very few trades, 9 trades, 4 break-evens, 3 winning, 2 losing trades. I started to use this tilt meter. There's now enough data for me to check the mistakes, but here you can see how in out of the 9, I made mistake in 4, right? Like for instance, I do have 2 type of entries, right? I only have 2 type of entries: limit orders or confirmation orders. And I do have a very specific plan or system to trade confirmation orders, right? So this one, stock market order confirmation, does not give me any negative connotation on the tilt meter, or nor positive. It's just neutral, right? Whereas in this trade, my entry was bad, FOMO, it has a negative point. You see that? So I do not have enough data for me to talk about this, but I just started to using them. All right, so this is pretty much my week. George is not gonna do a weekly recap. He had a one winning trade, one losing trade, and one break even. It's pretty much break even, so he's not gonna do a weekly recap. But I ask you guys to, if you like this content, please like, subscribe, and share. That help us with the algo, and hit that notification button so you can be notified every time we go live. That is at least twice a day, 9 a.m. for the pre-market and 9:25ish for the live trading session. It's George and me trading. We both trade differently, very differently. So I think you can benefit from our trading, right? Thank you for watching this video, and bye now.